Hello everyone, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we have repaired our passage gate. In our factory, one of the passage gate was not working properly. For this, working people as well as vehicle entering and outgoing makes a problem. We checked the items and found that the gear motor was burnt and the bearing wheel was not playing properly. So we decided to rewind the gear motor and to repair the bearing wheel. To the gate there were two number of bearing wheel, so we decided another two number of bearing wheel as well as to install total four numbers of bearing wheel to install the gate, that the gate may play smoothly. At first we make a wheel, two numbers of wheel and also two numbers of wheel holder by cutting the metal plate and making these items by welding and by machining in our maintenance workshop. Then inserting the necessary bearing and completed the bearing wheel, and also we maintenance everything as required to make the wheel play smoothly. In our workshop we completed all the works as the gate was not working properly, and we think that there was two numbers of wheel, so for load division we make four numbers of wheel to take the load, and then after we completed the bearing wheel. After making the bearing wheel as well as wheel holder in our workshop, then we took this to our working area. To place the wheel holder under the gate, at first we up the gate by our forklift, and also we placed our area, that is position where we will weld the wheel holder. As there was two numbers of wheel and now we will insert four numbers of wheel, so we measure the right distance to connect the wheel holder. At first we up the gate and then we insert the wheel holder under the gate, and then also we followed that the wheel is as its right position or not. We measured the distance, and when everything is okay, then we down the gate and we followed the gate gear is at its right position and the wheel is on the rail. And when everything is okay, and also we freely manually a little distance we followed that the gate is playing smoothly or not. When it is okay, then we welded the wheel holder to the gate, and also we connect our motor which was burnt, and when everything is okay, we power supplied and followed the gate is playing or not. After welding the wheel holder, we adjusted the gear motor with the gate gear. The gear of the gate and gear of the gear motor, we followed that it is rightly in its position. Then we tightened the motor bolt, and also we push the power supply our remote power supply that the motor is rightly moving in its direction. We followed that the motor is direction in its opposite, so we open its power supply and then interchange its two phase. Then the motor, we followed that, is rotating in its right direction. Also, it is specified that the motor is three-phase supply motor, and now the motor is working and our problem is solved. This is gear motor, and by this unit we inserted here two numbers extra wheel holder by making in our workshop, and finally we completed the works. Thanks to all for watching this video.